Today, Indra Tai is visiting a small village on Sarpanch Sir's request. She is going to brief villagers on digital payment or UPI payment, which is getting popular these days.
Friends, I am delighted to see your enthusiasm towards digital payments. Digital payment means you carry out financial transaction with other person or party electronically or digitally, without cash payments or any manual documentation, even while you are physically away from that person. There was a time when any financial transaction used to get carried out manually, either by cash payments or check payment. Since the last decade, financial transactions are getting conducted via debit card or credit card or net banking. Cards or net banking is also a digital method to carry out payments. In recent times, new digital payment services like UPI are available, which are very seamless, convenient, safe and secure to use. UPI digital payment service allows you to transfer amount from one bank account to another in a few seconds without any hassle. You can carry out payments securely in split seconds using a mobile. UPI service is always available 24/7. Let's see UPI service in detail. UPI means Unified Payments Interface. You need 3 important things to use UPI. One should have a bank account and the bank should be a member of UPI service. Your mobile number should be linked to bank account. You need a smartphone and internet service. If you have these 3 things with you, that means you are eligible to use UPI service. Let's see how to use UPI service. You need to identify a mobile app which can provide UPI service. There is Bheem UPI app which is provided by NPCI, which stands for National Payment Corporation of India. There are other private providers as well like Paytm, Google Pay, PhonePe, Amazon Pay, etc. You need to download a mobile app from Google Store or Apple Store. Let's see how to set up UPI. Download UPI Service Provider app. Most of the apps need a 4-digit login password. You need to verify your mobile number via OTP to link your bank account with the UPI mobile app. You need to add debit card details like 16-digit debit card number, expiry date, PIN, etc. after OTP verification. You can set UPI PIN after debit card verification. You get a UPI ID after PIN setup. UPI ID is generally known as VPA, that is Virtual Payment Access. A UPI ID or VPA is notated like an email ID. It has an @ in it. You can start using UPI payment once UPI ID is in place. Another party or person must also be using UPI service to accept UPI payment. You can link more than one bank account to a UPI ID. There are 3 ways to conduct a UPI transaction. By using Pay VPA address, by using Pay bank account number and IFSC code, or by using a QR code. Please note that there is a per day amount limit set by NPCI.
Now let us check how much you have understood from the above scene. Question 1. Sushma has a bank account, but her bank account is not linked with her mobile number. In that case, can she use UPI service? Answer. No. Mobile number should be linked to bank account. Question 2. Pradeep has a UPI service, but his friend Raju doesn't have it. Can Pradeep send money to Raju using UPI service? Answer: No. To do a UPI transaction, other party must also be using UPI service. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button if you find our video helpful. Thanks for participating in the ArthShikshan initiative.